Hi student, we're going to learn how to make a dot bounce back, which means the dot will at first from left go to the right and then bounce back to the left again. So first of all, we choose a sprite from here. Then search for dot. Then I choose this one. You can choose other dot, but I will choose this one. It's up to you. Then we go to the events. When click Control, choose forever. Then go to motion, move 10 steps. See what will happen now. See, it doesn't bounce back. What we need to do, we go to the motion again. Then we choose this one. If on edge, bounce. See, it's working right now. But it looks funny, right? It's upside down. Stop for a while. We go to this one. Click. And then click here. See whether it works or not. Click again. Yes, it works. Then I want to make it a starting point every time I start to run again. I want to make this the starting point for this dot. So I choose this one, which means every time I start to run it, it will go to this as a starting point. Next, I want to choose the music. I go to the sounds, then choose a sound. I choose dance around, which is this one. Go back to the code there, then events, I choose when click, then for control I choose forever, then click at the sound there, choose this one, play sound dance around until done. Means once I start to run it, it will play this song repeat and repeat. If I don't put this forever, right, it will only run the music only one time. That's all. See you next time. But first of all, let's see whether the music is on or not. Yes, it's on, correct. Okay, see you.